Assalamu alaikum. Myself Gulnaz, biology teacher in ACG Digital Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you the overview of second year biology, in which we discuss with the chapters involved in the study of second year biology. There is a front page of book second year. Today I am going to discuss with you the chapters or contents involved in the second year biology. There is content and the chapter name. First of all, there are 13 chapter in second year biology. The name of chapter are following. One by one we are going to discuss with you the chapter's name. First chapter name is the homeostasis, in which we study in the balance of our body, how we can maintain the balance of our body. The maintenance of balance of internal body is called the homeostasis, and the first chapter of second year biology is homeostasis. The maintenance of internal body, अगर आपके इन्वायरमेंट में एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट में कोई भी चेंज आता है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद अगर आपकी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर स्टेबल रहता है, आपका जो पीएच लेवल है वो स्टेबल रहता है, तो ये सारी मेंटेनेंस जो है वो होम्योस्टेसिस में आ जाती है. सो द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ बायोलॉजी सेकेंड ईयर इज़ होम्योस्टेसिस, एंड यू कैन सी दैट the second chapter of our second year biology is sport and movement. And the sport and movement of our body consists of our muscles as well as our bones. As you can see there, the muscles as well your bones are involved in sport and the movement of our bodies. And in second chapter we will discuss about the sport and movement of our bodies. And the third chapter is coordination and control, that how we can control or any type of living organism control its body temperature, as well as maintain coordination among the various organ of its body, and all of which will consist on brain and spinal cord and neurons. And we will discuss about everything about coordination in third chapter. The fourth chapter is reproduction, that how living organism reproduce and produce same type of individuals. And we will discuss about sexual and asexual reproduction and various types of method of fertilization, like external and internal fertilization, and many more. And the fifth chapter of our second year biology is growth and development, that how individuals show development. It may be physical development, linguistic development, or various types of development. Every living organism show development, either it is plant, either it is animal, humans, or anything who is living. Its character is to show development is a fundamental character of life. So we will discuss about it. Now there is a next chapter, that is chromosomes and DNA, and we can see that DNA is a part of every living cells. So how we can see that how these DNA involved in the development of living organism. And the second next chapter is cell cycle. Here we can see that how cells divide, and we will discuss about interphase, mitotic phase, type of mitotic phase like meiosis and mitosis in cell cycle. And next chapter is variation and genetics, and we see that every living organism shows some type of variations, and these variations are due to genetic changings, which are due to change in genetic factors. uh, so we will discuss about variations and genetics in the chapter named variations and genetics. Next chapter is biotechnology, in which we will discuss about the use of living organism for the service of mankind, that how biotechnology branch of biology is dealing and helping the human beings and to construct new characteristics, develop new characteristics and modern type of living organism in our society. The next chapter is evolution. We are seeing that and there is evolution, and we see that if we see that humans were animal in previous period, so we can see that how these living organism change with the passage of time, and every living organism changes with the passage of time. And we can see that living organisms were hydrostatic, were living in hydro system, aquatic system, and now living organisms are living on earth. So there are some changes you can see in evolutionary time period. So we will discuss about the history of living organism with the passage of time, which we call the evolution. And next three chapter consist on ecology, which deal with the interaction of living organism with its environment, and these relationships may be a predation, predator, interaction, and many more. Thank you so much.